Today's episode of The Wretched Wrench. We're talking all about the complete J2000 lineup. And I mean, we're going into a deep dive. They go into everything from manufacturing to how it's designed, computer controlled, you name it. If you want to know about the J2000, it's in this video. Just when you thought this video might get too serious, well, don't worry, it gets pretty stupid because there's plenty of dramatizations like this.
But the Beach Boys, man, they just keep on making really great music.
And listen to the computer talk.
That way from the start. From the first developmental stages to final manufacture.
Buckle up, kiddos. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
Coming your way, the new J generation from Pontiac. J2000, a new generation of four-cylinder front-wheel drive Pontiacs with reclining front bucket seats, side window defoggers. There's a new coupe specially equipped for high mileage. And the list of standard features goes on and on and on. J2000 for 1982, a new generation of Pontiac know-how.
That was how I first learned about the new generation of J2000s. I was driving an older model Toyota then, and I thought I'd check out the new Pontiacs before I went back to my Toyota dealer. This is my J2000 sedan, a sophisticated new American car. And it was about time, Detroit.
Okay, Jody and Amy, let's go. You're not supposed to be in here. I wanted a small, practical car that got good fuel efficiency. That's all I needed, just basic transportation. And then I saw this sporty J2000 SE hatchback. It's a marvelous looking car and it's fun to drive. Well, a woman can still change her mind, can't she?
It's amazing, you know, how some things never change. When my big brother was 18 years old, he had hair down to his shoulders, drove a Pontiac GTO, and listened to the Beach Boys all day long on the radio. Today, nobody has hair that long, and we all drive small, fuel-efficient cars, like this Pontiac J2000 coupe. But the Beach Boys, man, they just keep on making really great music. It's amazing, you know?
My family needed a car with a little more room than our compact sedan, so we bought the J2000 station wagon. It's got plenty of room, but the thing that impresses me most is the engineering that went into its design. It's that quality that sold me.
There are a lot of good reasons for buying a new J2000. It was built that way from the start. From the first developmental stages to final manufacturing and assembly processes. Wind tunnel testing played an important role in refining J2000's wedge-shaped design. Soft fascia bumpers incorporate a front air dam and lower grill opening, which helps cool the engine as well as lower wind resistance for added fuel economy. The drag coefficient for the J2000 hatchback, for example, is only 0.392, and that's better than many of J2000's less aerodynamic competitors. The J2000 also benefits from unitized body construction, which integrates the body and frame into a single unit for structural integrity and low vehicle weight. High-strength, lightweight materials, such as aluminum and plastic, are used throughout the J2000 to help make it durable, lighter, and fuel-efficient. New manufacturing techniques and new methods of assembly, including such processes as door alignment and installation, and front-end sheet metal assembly, help provide precise and consistent body fits. Every J2000 undergoes thorough online computer-controlled inspection to help assure consistently accurate final assembly of body parts and components. Such quality becomes apparent when you examine details such as the interlocking moldings and the solid one-piece headliner, which is always smooth and free of excess trim at both front and rear edges. Inner and outer door panels are integrated with the upper frame. And bolt-on door hinges with new locks and lock strikers help assure the doors are easy to open and close as well. Details such as deck lid weather strips are vulcanized to guard against cracking or breaking for added protection against water seeping into the trunk area. Consistent door fits depend on a precisely sized door opening, and the J2000 sedans and wagons are made from a single-piece body side ring which also adds to the structural integrity of these impressive Pontiacs. The coupes and hatchbacks are designed so that the entire body side structure is assembled using only 3 basic units, reducing at least 12 unsightly welds that would otherwise be required along the door frame, window and door pillars, and rear quarter panel. Function is also built into the J2000. Translucent reservoirs and windows enable easy checking of windshield wiper, engine coolant, power steering, and brake master cylinder fluid levels. Valve lifters are designed to be easily serviced from the top of the engine by simply removing the rocker cover. And new replaceable shock absorber cartridges are a special feature of J2000's McPherson strut suspension. Other important features include self-adjusting brakes, a self-adjusting clutch, and permanently sealed wheel bearings, lubricated for the life of the car. The J2000's 1.8-liter overhead valve engine features a 2-barrel Varijet carburetor, which is both economical and responsive to every driving need. And they have quality-conscious engineering as well, with a Delco Remy high-energy ignition system producing high voltage for quick starts and prolonged spark plug life. The standard 4-speed manual transmission has a high 3.53-to-1 first-gear ratio for quick acceleration, as well as a 0.81-to-1 overdrive ratio in 4th gear for fuel-efficient highway cruising. In the special economy coupes, not available in California, the powertrain and 14-gallon fuel tank provide an estimated driving range of 420 miles and an impressive estimated 658 miles on the highway. Estimated range was calculated by multiplying the fuel tank capacity by the EPA fuel economy estimates. The special economy coupe has the manual transmission and is not available with air conditioning or power steering. Normally equipped Pontiac J2000s provide an estimated 26 mpg with an estimated 42 mpg on the highway. And J2000 also offers a smooth ride. Semi-independent rear suspension for the trailing arm twisting rear axle provides flexibility on uneven or damaged road surfaces. A front stabilizer bar, rack and pinion steering, and front-wheel drive are all standard for impressive handling and maneuverability. Front-wheel drive aids traction on slippery road surfaces, and by centering all the action up front, eliminates the drive shaft for added passenger space as well. Put yourself inside a Pontiac J2000 for a test drive and discover what others have already found out. It's a bargain.
Whether it's the practical sedan
Or the economical coupe.
The roomy new wagon.
Or the sporty hatchback.
4 exciting new cars from Pontiac.
Not really sure I'd call them 4 new exciting cars, but they were 4 new cars that Pontiac offered. Leave a comment.